In this video, I will show you how to use Opus Clip on phone. So to get started, go ahead and open your browser on your device and then go ahead and search for opus.pro. So in this section, you need to go ahead and sign up for a free account by clicking on that sign up button at the top right of your screen. So you can go ahead and sign up with your Google account, Apple account, or sign up manually. And then after you have signed up for an account, that will take you into your dashboard. On your dashboard, you'll be able to find this section where you can actually paste the link of the video that you want to create clips for. So go ahead and paste that link into this section. You need to wait for this to load to be able to allow Opus Clip to fetch that specific video from the link that you've provided. So once this is done loading, you'll be able to find the video of that link. And then in here, go ahead and scroll down and you'll be able to find this settings for clipping the video. So in here, you can go ahead and set the clip model, clip length, include specific moments, and then once you scroll down, you'll be able to find this quick presets for the captions. So simply select a preset caption that you prefer to incorporate with your video and then head back up, and then in here, go ahead and set this clip model, clip length, and then enter a prompt of the specific areas of the video that you want to actually cut from. So after this, once you have set all of this up, you can go ahead and click on that Get Clips in One Click button to be able to allow Opus Clip to start clipping the video that you have provided with the details that you have entered. You need to wait for this to load. The duration of the clip's creation would depend on the length of the clip that you've actually uploaded along with the strength of your internet connection. Now, once it's done loading, you can go ahead and click on that, and then inside that, you'll be able to find all of the clips that Opus Clip has created for you. So you can go ahead and publish the clips on your social media accounts, download the clips in HD, export the clips in XML, and edit the clips using your desktop on the Opus website. Create AI hook, enhance speech, add B-roll, and set the aspect ratio to 9:16. And that is how you can basically use Opus Clip on phone.